Alright, you come in, you make it past the TSA, and then you drive it into the road, and it dead ends right into the beach. It's about 60 miles that way towards Mexico. Let's get it. It's almost in Mexico. The only thing separating Mexico is South Padre Island.
A little stretch of water about that big. I don't know, we might be able to make it across on 40s, just float right on over.
Let's air this beast down real quick.
Let's hop out and check out our situation and get a little assessment. We'll probably have a little safety meeting before we take off too, right, Jake? Got Jake's new rig over here, the Maroon Baboon. All right, Wes, what you got going on there? Is that the preset calibrated
style? Last time I was in the Everglades, so I was aired down to about 10, but out here, it's a little bit higher speed, so we're gonna go about 16, 17, anything under 20. It's not even for traction, it's just to smooth the ride, really. Pop these things on. It's my favorite style deflator. It's the easiest and quickest one to use, in my opinion.
This is the rig rundown for the day. We got the Gladiator on 40s, of course, Rhino USA Jeep, and we've got Jake's personal rig. He just picked this up a few days ago. Pretty nice rig, 37-inch Mickey Thompson's, got some rough country bumpers and rock sliders on there. Nice Icon lift kit, and it's pretty sweet. Wes is all flexed out on this piece of driftwood. And here we are at the little inlet that separates North Padre Island from South Padre Island. Unfortunately, we weren't able to cross over and make it all the way to Mexico, but it was still a fun trip and a really great place to check out. Heading into the storm.
Kind of forced up into the dunes. We're still just two-wheel driving. Let her read, son. Let her read. Woo!
Okay, 2500, weathering the storm over there. Trusty shark fishing rig. We got Anthony, he's cooked up. Jake was about to take a rip on the old Storm 250. We got hooked up. Good times out here.
That's not nice and empty, bud.